Morning, happy Monday. Woody's Custom Landscaping here. We're back in Vancouver, Washington after the long Easter weekend, Saturday and Sunday, long days. But it was good seeing family. Grandma and Grandpa came out to the house. It was a good time, but back to work. We're installing the sand this morning, getting ready to do the Fit Rustic Pavers in the Victorian color by Bellegarde. We'll have the dark charcoal border on the outside. If you remember right, in the beginning of this project, it was just tall grass, about 13, 14, 15 inches tall, and we used the weed eater and got that down and out. Used our sod cutter, got all the turf out, installed some gravel, pathways, some irrigation, etc. But this is to the point we are now. Wanted to take a look at it. The guys are starting to put their sand down. They're spacing them out so we can still put our screed rods down here. And what we do with these screed rods is we'll set them down on the gravel and we'll put our levels on top of them and make sure that all of our water, once it hits the rain hits the patio or you're washing your patio, drains away from your house. The proper slope on your patio is 1 inch for every 8 feet. So in a 16-foot wide patio here, we're going to have 2 inches of slope going out towards the fence. We'll be level side to side with a slight slope down. And we set those all with those metal bars sitting over there. Once those metal bars are set, then we take our 2x4s and we screed that sand nice and smooth. After it's screeded nice and smooth, we'll take out those bars, fill in those joints with sand, and hand float them in. After that, you're ready to lay pavers. Starting along the cement slab over there with string lines so our lines can stay nice and straight, we'll start laying the patio. We'll check in tomorrow. I believe they'll probably get a pallet of pavers down today, but we'll see what goes on. You guys do a great job. Makes our job a blessing having a great crew. So thanks to them. Coming down this direction, we'll have our 1/4 pathway. You see we already base prepped it with our 3/4- or 5/8-, however you might want to call it. But it goes down this direction, all the way out to the garage side door here. Thanks for checking in. This is Woody's Custom Landscaping. You can find us at 360-687-1882, woodyscustomlandscaping.com. You guys have a good morning.